What if generating a production-ready 3D model no longer took hours, but seconds? Today, I'm testing Hyper3D Rodin Gen-2.5, a new AI-powered 3D generation platform that promises an unusual combination of speed and detail. According to Hyper3D, it can generate 1 million polygon models in as little as 4 seconds, while also supporting ultra-detailed assets with geometry that scales into the tens of millions polygon range. In this video, I'll put Rodan Gen 2.5 through a series of real-world tests. We'll compare its different generation modes, examine how quality changes at different thinking levels, test its new 3D native texture system, explore 12K texture generation, and see whether the final assets are actually usable inside a real production workflow. Let's jump in. One of the biggest features in Rodan Gen 2.5 is its adaptive thinking effort system. Instead of forcing users into a single quality setting, Rodan offers 5 different generation modes that balance speed and detail depending on the task. These modes include Extreme Low, Low, Medium, High, and Extreme High. Each mode is designed for a different stage of the creative process, from rapid concept generation to high-fidelity production assets. To keep things fair, I'll use the exact same reference image for every test and compare the results side by side. Let's start with Extreme Low mode. This setting is designed for maximum speed and fast iteration. Hyper3D states that Rodin can generate 1 million polygon models in around 4 seconds using this mode. The result appears almost instantly. While this isn't intended for final production assets, the overall shape, proportions, and structure are already recognizable and surprisingly usable. For concept exploration, rapid prototyping, and testing multiple ideas quickly, this level of speed can dramatically accelerate the workflow. Next is Low mode. Compared to Extreme Low, the geometry becomes noticeably cleaner and more refined. Surface transitions improve, edges become more consistent, and the overall structure feels more polished. Generation takes slightly longer, but the increase in quality makes it a practical option for simple props and everyday assets. Moving up to High mode, we begin seeing even greater improvements. The geometry becomes smoother, structural consistency improves, and finer forms are represented more faithfully. This mode is especially useful when asset quality becomes a priority, but generation speed still matters. Finally, let's test Extreme High mode. For this demonstration, I'm enabling Micro mode to maximize geometric detail. This is the highest thinking effort level available in Rodan Gen 2.5 and is designed for assets that require the most accurate surface reproduction possible. Micro mode focuses on preserving high-frequency details that are often lost during generation. Fine wrinkles, folds, skin texture, subtle shape transitions, and small geometric features become significantly more visible. The generation process takes longer, but the increase in fidelity is immediately noticeable. Facial structures, clothing details, and intricate surface forms appear substantially more refined, making this mode ideal for hero asset, close-up renders, and high-detail visual presentation. One of the most impressive capabilities in Rodan Gen 2.5 is its support for extremely dense geometry. After generating the model, Rodan allows geometry density to scale dramatically, reaching tens of millions polygon detail level. This enables creators to move from rapid concept generation to highly detailed assets within the same workflow. The additional polygon density preserves far more geometric information, making the final model suitable for close-up visualization, collectibles, digital sculpting workflows, and high-end rendering projects. Geometry is only part of the workflow. Now, let's examine texture generation. Rodan Gen 2.5 introduces a brand new 3D native texture architecture designed to generate texture information directly from the geometry itself. According to Hyper3D, this approach improves texture consistency, preserves more visual information, and reduces the blind spot issues commonly seen in AI-generated 3D assets. For this test, I'm using the highest quality texture workflow available. Rodan Gen 2.5 also introduces support for 12K texture generation generation, allowing significantly more visual information to be preserved across the model. The increased texture resolution helps maintain sharper surface details, cleaner materials, and stronger visual fidelity when examining the asset up close. For this demonstration, textures are generated directly from the reference image and automatically applied to the generated geometry. The results immediately show stronger material consistency and improved preservation of visual details. Since the reference image uses a completely black background, this demonstration primarily showcases the front perspective. Providing additional reference angles would produce more complete texture coverage across the entire model, especially on the clothing and backside. Rodan also includes physically based rendering controls that help make generated materials more useful in real production environments. These settings influence how surfaces interact with light and allow materials to behave more naturally inside rendering engines and 3D applications. One common issue with AI-generated 3D models is texture inconsistency. Logos often become distorted, important details disappear, and texture quality can break down when the model is viewed from different angles. Rodan's 3D native texture system is designed to address these challenges. As the model rotates, texture coverage remains consistent around the entire asset, surface information stays clearer, important details remain visible, and the overall result appears significantly more faithful to the original reference image. The improved texture consistency helps reduce blind spots and creates assets that feel more reliable for production use. Once generation is complete, the model can be exported using industry-standard formats and transferred into existing 3D pipelines. After testing the complete workflow, Rodan Gen-2.5 delivers an impressive balance of speed, flexibility, and visual quality. The ability to generate 1 million polygon models in just seconds makes concept development dramatically faster, while the higher thinking effort modes provide enough detail for significantly more demanding projects. Features like parallel batch generation, high-density geometry generation, 12K textures, improved texture consistency, and workflow-ready exports make the platform far more than a simple AI experiment. AI generation still doesn't replace traditional 3D modeling, and artist-led refinement remains important for many professional projects. However, tools like Rodan Gen 2.5 can significantly accelerate asset creation and reduce the time spent on repetitive early-stage work. If you're working in game development, visualization, content creation, prototyping, or 3D design, Hyper3D Rodin Gen-2.5 is definitely worth exploring. You can register on the Hyper3D website to try Rodan Gen 2.5 for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.